magic drawings! First, draw a big egg, a big egg, a big A. A say ah, 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 ah. Can you say ah with me? A is for apple, ah, 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 apple. Ah, 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 apple. Apple start with letter A. Say apple with me. A is for airplane. Ah, ah, airplane. Ah, 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 airplane. Airplane start with letter A. Say airplane with me. A is for avocado. Ah, 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 avocado. Ah, 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 avocado. I say avocado with me. A is for ant. Ah, 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 ant. Ah, ah, ant, ant. Start with letter I. Say ant with me. Let's color it together. Big red A. Apple is red, 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 red. Red, red, red. Airplane is yellow and blue. Yellow and blue, yellow and blue. Avocado is green. Green, 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 green. Ant is brown. Brown, brown, brown. Brown, brown, brown. Do you know which letter we learned today? Good job, it's letter A. 2 letter right. Get to letter A.